1300 hours Pakistan Standard Time. Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Pakistan. The news read by Afza Sarwar. Prime Minister is in Lahore on one-day visit where he will chair important meetings on development local bodies elections. Foreign Minister says government will take all possible steps to ensure security and stability in the country. Pakistan Navy conducts successful demonstration of anti-ship missiles fire from the sea and air. In India, illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism met tried two Kashmiri youth and Bangladesh district today. Prime Minister Imran Khan has arrived in Lahore on day-long visit. Today, Punjab Chief Minister Usman Buzdar will call to the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister will chair meetings regarding progress in Ravi Riverfront urban development projects, local government system and issuance of health card in Punjab. He will also participate as chief guest at Doctor Convention. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi says the government will take all possible steps to ensure security and stability in the country. In a statement, he said that forces that want instability in the Pakistan have again become active and they have demonstrated their designs through the recent terrorist attacks in Quetta and Peshawar. Foreign Minister said entire nation will have to join in the protect peace in the country. He said in addition to the government's arrangements, corporation of people as well as the ulama will be required for security of the procession of Eid Miladun Nabi. Meanwhile, in the telephonic conversation with his Afghan counterpart, Muhammad Hanif, Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi said Pakistan will continue its sincere efforts for peace and stability in the region, including Afghanistan. He said Pakistan is desirous of a peaceful. Shah Mahmood Qureshi said peace in Afghanistan is linked with peace and stability of region. He said at the Intra-Afghanistan dialogue provides an excellent opportunity for peace and Afghan leadership must seize this opportunity. He said it is imperative to make the intra-Afghan dialogue results oriented in order to release the dream of durable peace in Afghanistan. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi also telephoned his Turkish counterpart Mevlut Çavuşoğlu today and discussed with him. Shah Mahmood Qureshi facilitated his Turkish counterpart on Turkey's 97th Republic Day. He left Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan clear stance against the growing trend of Islamophobia. The Turkish Foreign Minister said Prime Minister Imran Khan's statement about Islamophobia is condemnable. Shah Mahmood Qureshi thanked Turkish Foreign Minister for supporting Pakistan on FATF. Pakistan Navy has conducted successful demonstration of anti-ship missiles fire from the sea and the air in the Northern Arabian Sea. Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Muhammad Amjad Khan Niazi observed his missiles firing. Pakistan Navy warships, airplanes and helicopters successfully hit their targets. The National Command of Operations Center has directed the province to ensure compliance of wearing of masks and other SOPs against COVID-19, particularly in the bazaars, shopping malls and other transportation areas. The NOCs met in Islamabad today with ministers for planning Asad Umar in the chair. The firm decided that wearing the mask is mandatory both in the government and private offices. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism have tried two Kashmiri youth in the Bedgam district. The youth were tried during the violate and search operations in the Moscow area of the district. And that is the end of the news. For more news and analysis, log on to our website radio.gov.pk and also watch live video stream of our bulletins on the link facebook.com/radio. Pakistan News Official.